Yo, yo, yo. What we got in the building today? Alright, so mic's good. The sound's good. Everything's working okay. And I liking the piano that started off straight away. And the only thing missing is the trading view. So let's find it, guys. Where is it gone? Here. Okay, next thing is I have to log in to my account because we are now actually funded on Take Profit Trader. We always get funded on Take Profit Trader. That you have to go through that 5-day consistency process, so that's a bit long, but other than that it's good. So we're just logging in. That's logged in. Yeah. Now where's the charts? Someone told me if you just double click down here, your chart will load up as refreshed. There you go. So you learn something new every day, don't you guys? And if you want to move it around, you just stretch it up a little bit. But a lot of people already have taken this buy down here. But I'm not sure which way the market's going, so I'm not buying or anything at the moment because I still need to do my analysis. But price can be rocketing up because Asian session has just been flying. Oh my god. Or could be that Asian session's being swept and now it's thought, okay, let's go down. So price may start going down from it. But we don't know. We don't know. Until I don't see a proper confluence, you know we don't take trades anyway. So we wait. We sit and wait. We don't mind sitting and waiting. Just clear everything. The drawings. Last night, whoever sold off last night, whoever was in a sell would have made a lot of money on the, not last night, on the New York session. The New York session absolutely just dumped. To be fair, it started dumping in the London session, but the New York session, it started going down. Oh yes, one thing I did forget, the chat. 1 second, guys. We got VJ Kumar in the building. Which VJ Kumar is this? I've got a cousin. His name is VJ Kumar also. All right. Let's get the chat loaded. We can't do nothing without the chat. The chat is where it's at. Welcome to Clipboard Text. Gold pips, you're blocked because we don't do signals in this group, mate. Welcome to Gboard, Clipboard, any text you. In South Alley, if you're going to do stuff like that, you're blocked as well. Because we don't do signals and we don't do no copying stuff. Please tell me you see shorts. Yes, I do see shorts. I do see shorts around about here, but because we're in an overall uptrend, you have to wait for a clean break of structure. But we do see shorts because of yesterday's price action. Possibly price might be retracing into an area where it might start dumping again. So yeah, we do possibly see shorts, but we can also possibly see longs as well, but I very much doubt it. For a short while it can go long until it goes into an area of interest where price can retrace or reverse. So that was for big blue oohoo tongue twister of a name. A7 Medino, I was on a long but got break even. Okay, A7 Medino. STDV levels, no. Big blue oohoo, what do you mean by STDV? I'm not quite sure of that term. Okay, I'm just getting the chat loaded up on this side. Okay, so yeah, the chat's loaded up and it's worked. Hi Sodar, are you okay? Just testing everything's working good. So let me just drop in a message. About to enter longs again. Okay, A7 Medino. That's cool, that's cool. I'm not quite sure where I'm entering at the moment. I'm not 100% sure on where I would enter. So I'm just gonna sit out of price action. Yo, who's liking the piano sound in the background? That's absolutely sick. What pair? We got Snethemba Nalambati. What pair are you looking at, bro? If you're from YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you stay tuned on to my channel and you get the notifications every single day when we're on live. And we're currently trading Nasdaq, and to be fair, pretty much always every day we're trading Nasdaq. STD levels from the past midnight open, then we have some nice STD levels lining up with the week open. Oh, okay, so that's your strategy. And yes, Harry, with the relaxing music, yes, that's right. To be fair, Big Blue Uhu, I just follow straight up price action and it works fine for me. Not price action, it is price action. I do follow price action, but I just follow straight up market structure. So whichever way the market is directing me, that's what I'm going to be looking for, whether it's buy or sells. And it's overall market structure from the higher time frame analysis all the way down to the 1 minute time frame. So I look at the bigger picture and see which way the market's going, and then we can enter in on the lower time frames. So that's my strategy as well. That's all I look at, to be honest with you. Yeah, I got the relaxing music in. I got the nice casino music in because it's kind of like, people think trading is like gambling. So what I did, if you don't know how to trade, it is kind of gambling. But if you know what you're doing, you'll obviously know that trading is not gambling. But I thought I'd bring in that casino music feel to my channel. Yes. Love it. A7 Medina, where are you looking to get your buys in from? Were you looking to enter a buy in from 35.45? Is that where you were looking? Who we got here trading with us live right now, and what platform are you watching us from? Are you watching us from TikTok, YouTube? A7 Medina says 539 but missed it. Think to enter right now, but I don't know. To be fair, if it was me trading, I'd hold tight till I see an actual entry, but I know you've been watching the markets for a while, so you've got experience, so you kind of know what type of entries you would go for. So yeah, don't let me put you off. You trade from where you got to trade from. Obviously, because I'm live, I can easily influence someone to say not to take a trade or to go for it, but that's not the right thing to do. The right thing to do is, you're on my channel, you're watching what I'm doing, we're building a community so we can all engage and chat together, but also you have your own game plan, you have your own strategy, you got to execute when you got to execute. Something that works for you might not work for me, something that works for me might not work for you. So everybody, make sure you're just following your own game plans. And right now, there's literally no trade for me at the moment. So relaxing, it's making me want to go sleep. But I like it. So some messages looks like they're not coming through. Leroy didn't answer my texts. Okay. I think that one might not have come up. Relaxing music. So Harry says, what do you prefer to trade, London or New York? I'm really liking New York, the way it's moving every day. I love it. I love the price action. I love how you can get in and out of trades really fast. But the reason I like London session is because I'm from the UK. It just makes sense for me. Waking up early. I have to drop my son off school anyway, so because of that reason, I can just get onto the charts. But then if I see a setup, I can enter in straight away, be in and out of the charts by half an hour. Snethambi, I don't know how to say your name, bro. I'm sorry. I know you're from YouTube, but you said hi. I'm saying hello, bro. How you doing? So yeah, I can be in and out of my trades fast if I'm on London session, and then I don't have to look at the charts for the rest of the day, and then I don't even have to come onto the New York session. But sometimes London session is very choppy, so then it's best to come onto the New York session. But yeah, I do like both. I like New York for the volatility and how fast you can be in and out of your trades. But then I like New York whilst I'm live. I can get to chat to everybody. And then if we see a nice entry, we can actually go for it. And if we don't see an entry, yeah, we just leave it. We just step away from the charts and sit on our hands. Remember, guys, sitting on your hands is also trading as well. New York has better momentum. London moves slow or sideways a lot. Yes, you're right. It does. But then you get some of the nice days where you catch a good move. So that's why what I like to do is I like to come on the London session early in the morning, and then I like to come on the pre-New York session on my live as well. But then when it's New York session open and later on in the New York session, I sometimes like to just be me with the charts and have some alone time, and then if I can catch a nice setup, I just go for it. Yeah, so there's a lot of money to be made in the New York session. But if you know how the markets are moving and you're getting good price action in London session, yeah, you could catch some very good entries. Very good entries. Like, look how price was moving here. Obviously it was shit and choppy. Early London session yesterday, very choppy, but this was the move to be taken. Because clearly we started breaking structure to the downside, and price reacted from this area, just collecting liquidity and then just pushed down. That was a good move to take in London session yesterday. But then New York session came, and this was an absolute banger of a trade. This one changed character, breaking structure to the downside, retraced, bang, another one, just kept dumping, and the price action was so good because you could have entered at any of these retracements nicely. Look what else we've got. And then Asian session, we just pushed all the way up, but price action was very choppy, but we did push all the way up. So if you looked at price action like this, you probably would have caught some entries. If you scaled in, like that, you probably would have caught entries. But you clearly would have wanted a deeper retracement into this area here, then everyone would have took buys. But because it just kept chopping, to be fair, a lot of people bought here. Then price pushed up, broke structure to the upside, retraced. You could have bought here. Why guys gotta ring me when I'm live all the time? So yeah, there was an entry there. It just depends in how you scale in and how you look at the charts. Yeah, so right now I'm waiting because price is not actually breaking to the upside no more. So I'm trying to see a clean break structure, retracement, and an entry. But if I don't see that, then I won't be entering. Bling, hey Danny, hey Bling, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're having a great morning so far. We are the early birds. Leroy's not entered the building this morning. Guys, the markets are very choppy right now, so if you want, you can actually go and grab yourselves a drink and chill, just relax. If you're going to sit on the charts and wait for a setup, then you might as well chill and relax. Grab yourselves a drink or something. Bling says, I'm well, thank you. How are you? I am good, thank you very much, Bling. Just waiting for a setup. I'm not liking the way price action has started off this morning, but I'm loving the piano. Very quiet in the mornings, like. Either TikTok's not pushing the live out, or I know usually people start joining me around about 9:30, 10 o'clock, but then it's time for me to shoot off, so. Millionaire in the making, good morning. Good morning, millionaire in the making. How you doing? Are you trading with us today? Or are you trading today? And if you're trading, what pair are you trading? What instrument? What symbol? Blink says, I'm at work. You're going to put me to sleep with the music. It's 3:46 a.m. where I am. It's so relaxing. I got ice in my mouth, like. Yeah. I thought I'd bring the casino feel, the casino vibe into trading, because people think trading is gambling. If you don't know how to trade, obviously it is gambling. But once you know how to trade, every trader will know that trading's not actually gambling. But I still thought I'll bring the vibe of the casino into the trading today, into my live channel. A7 Medinio says, that Bling, what city are you from? Twizzy says, hi. Yes, Twizzy, how you doing, brother? Good morning. Hampton, VA. Wow. I love it because we're always catching people from all over the world. It's fucking brilliant. Twizzy says, I'm good, and you? I'm good, thank you very much. I've not seen you around for a while, Twizzy. Where you been hiding? You been enjoying the fruits of trading? Been cashing out some payouts? We got Jazz Lidder in the house. See, Jazz, I bet you never knew I knew how to say your name. Jazz Lidder properly, innit? We got Chris Gordon. Chris Gordon, how you doing, brother? Jazz Lidder's laughing. Jazz, are you a trader? What part of the world are you from? Where are you from, bro? We got Chris Gordon. What's good, bro? Out here, California. Bro, I'm getting a lot of people from California. Oh, wow. Jazz Lidder's from California as well. Guys, my Discord is actually open now, you know. I forgot to tell you lot. But not got no people in there. It's very new. But I'm starting it off. So I'm slowly just getting people added onto it. This is the Discord. You'll get the... Where's the damn rules gone? There you go. So guys, yeah, you can join the Discord for free. We're gonna always have updates on here. We got rules first. Rules are rules. You got to follow the rules. Then you got the Cypher chat room and everything where we can share our trades, ask questions, share your success stories. I'll be putting on announcements on there, just like this one. So like for contract change, because the contract change is actually tomorrow. So if you see that your price action and price starts looking weird, that means the contracts have changed if you're on the futures market. So guys, there's the contracts. That's all in the announcement. I'm going to be getting some prop firm deals and discounts. I'll always be putting the prop firms deals and discounts here, and then you get bonus material, all the YouTube stuff, and whenever I'm live. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, guys, all you have to do is just go in to the link in the bio, and I'll just show you 1 second. All you have to do is just go on to the link in the bio, and then you'll come up with this page, and it's actually this at the beginning. But sometimes TikTok doesn't let you open this in their browser, so you have to click on the 3 dots on the side in when you open it in TikTok, and then just click in open in browser, and then it'll just ask you to log in, or either it'll take you to the invite page where you can just like connect straight to it on the Discord. So yeah, you can actually join the Discord. Join the FX Trader 2000 and Discord server for free, guys. It's there. It's live. Leroy, morning, brother and fam. Good morning, Leroy. We was waiting for you, my bro. Fucking hell, the Discord, he says. I joined. Thank you so much, guys. I want to build a nice community on it where we can just all chat, chill, put in updates, put in prop firm discounts, so no one's paying over the odds and always getting some sort of discount. Noah T. Pepperberg. Anyone struggling with rent, let me know. What do you mean, Noah? What do you mean struggling with rent, my brother? Twizzy, I'm a join, right? RQ. Is that RQ or RN you meant? Any trades? No, not at the moment. Not taking a trade at the moment. Just literally joined up earlier. I was just sorting a few things out. I thought Discord only for me. Yes, it's for you, brother. That's why A7 Medina. That's why I only spoke about the Discord whilst you're on. Otherwise, I would. If you wasn't here today, I would have never have even advertised the Discord. Never ever in my life ever. God damn. Why is price action so slow every day now in London session? I don't like. Twizzy's in the shorts. Twizzy, are you in the shorts from here? Right from here. Oh wow, yeah, Twizzy's on, Khalid's on, Savannah's on. Yeah, we got a few people on here that have joined. Oh wow, wicked. It's free to join, guys, so just join, and at the end of the day, it's just gonna be a nice place to like just have a good community where we can just chat. No one has to be embarrassed where they're learning to trade, or no one has to be scared to chat, because there's going to be people in there that are experts. There's going to be people in there that are advanced that will help you, and there's going to be loads of learners and beginners in there, and everything in that Discord is going to be free, unless you're buying prop firms, and then I can't obviously give you prop firms for free because then I'll be out of pocket. Leroy, telegrammers update, boys, so later I'll put you boys on. Yes, Leroy, make sure you get everyone onto that Telegram as well. That'd be very nice. Bling, I'm Savannah. Wow, Bling, thank you very much. Let me see. I'm sure I've just seen your name. Yes, Savannah. Yes. Oh, nice. Ah, this is why I knew something wasn't working today. Look at all them likes just bumped up right now. I wasn't actually connected to it. See that? Guys, you need to hit the follow button as well. If you ain't following, make sure you hit the follow button, because I feel I might retest 500. What are your thoughts? Retest 500. You talking about all the way down here, Jazz? Oh god damn, stop ringing me, people. So if price comes right back down to here, you're talking about this area. Possibly, it just depends. If it starts dumping big time, it can literally fly past that area as well. But possibly can retest, because everywhere else, check on the Asian session. I don't know, you know. I don't know. I don't know if that area will retest. Wizzy, if we break 40s, I want to see a big dump. Yes, that's what I want to see, man. I want to see something nice. But I want to see a big dump, but with nice price action, because I won't. Because even if price is dumping, I won't just enter into a trade unless I see absolute beautiful price action. And guys, remember, yeah, this move all the way up right now on the higher time frame, if I take you onto the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we're only retracing. So it's pushed down, breaking structure to the downside. We've not even tested the gap here or balanced price out in this area. We've just tapped into it slightly and price pushed away. So it's not even balanced price out here. But then again, saying that, even then we'd need a deeper retracement on the higher time frame, because we've not had nice retracements. This one might even be it. But it looks like price is retracing to continue dumping. That's what it looks like to me. So another danger zone I would think would be around about here. So let's make that red. That's a danger zone on the 1 hour time frame. Possibly can go past it and continue dumping. We've got another buy zone there and here. So yeah, to be fair, price can go anywhere in these areas and dump as well, because that's very premium. That's very premium. Just go to the 30-minute time frame. Have a look. Bling, is this NQ? Yes, Bling, this is NQ. Zach Povey, use mustard investments. Is good to start learning for children and gives a game-like thing. Mustard investments? What do you mean, like trading for children? You get my son to trade, man, I'll be bankrupt, bro. That man will just blow everything. H, Bling, no, it's MCD. Leroy's laughing. I'll be like, what? So yeah, that now on the 30-minute time frame can be refined. Do like that. That stays the same, and then there's still a supply area at the top. So yeah, these are the premium zones I'm marking out. If price does even go anywhere near these areas, there's going to be a possible retracement. But let's have a look. That retraced above 50. So yeah, anywhere from here, price can't just melt down. It can, it may be. And price action's very shit. Look at these very strong candles compared to the retracement candles. Very weak. So yeah, I'm currently not in a trade because I can't actually see an absolute banging setup right now. possible area as well. Another one is here. Yeah, then all I do is sit and wait to see if I can catch an entry or something. Oh my days, this bum. You're like them ads and marketing up to bruh. H man, you're boring. Just, if you want to join us, stay with us. If you don't want to, then yeah, whatever, man. Look, this guy, stop complaining, bro, and just trade with us. Trading is boring, H. Trading is not supposed to be like fun and exciting, because that's when you're gambling stage. Trading's supposed to be boring, bro. Please, other music, bro. It sounds like a fancy restaurant. Tap, zoom out, man. Nah, I've already zoomed out. I've just zoomed out and zoomed back in. Zooming out, it looks like this. Let me see. I'm putting everyone to sleep yet with the music. I'm putting everyone to sleep yet with the music. All right, let's see. Let's give everyone like change of tunes, yeah? All right, is that better, guys? Is that a bit more lively for you? Auntie saying lol, tap, shitty house music. I've way better. Bro, tap, we know you probably got better house music, yeah? But the thing is, we're not allowed to play commercial sounds because our lives get shut down. So we have to just play standard music that is not copywritten. Tap wants to be the DJ. Come on, Tap. I was like, these longs are probably gonna go for a while longer, so I did it. Blink saying yes. Tap, Santi, yeah. Leroy. Okay, that's better. Mustafa said hi. Hello, Mustafa. How are you? Mustafa, if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Billy Bad Boy 50. What is the stock ticker? This is Nasdaq. We're currently on Nasdaq at the moment. So do you know what I've realized, yeah? There's a lot of shit people that don't know how to trade, and they come in and give their opinions. Like, mate, if you don't want to join the live, then fucking piss off. I'm not sure. Weird. That's like the internet connection just dropped, but not quite sure what the hell was happening. Millionaire in the making. Thank you very much for all those likes. This will be Santi saying this will be my third funded. I'm trying to build a buffer with 5 fundeds to maximum my payout probably. Yeah, that's absolutely wicked. Yeah, that was so weird. And it's doing something again now. I don't know what it's quite doing. Dexter Connor, thank you very much for following. Robin Chan, people that do funded and don't have a real accounts aren't profitable. Robin, can you please elaborate on that? I would like to know your thoughts. I would like to know your thoughts on that. Not necessarily true, Dexter Connor saying. Yeah, that's what I would like to. That's why I wanted Robin to elaborate. Robin Chan, I think we are all doing that right now. Yeah, Robin, what do you mean about that? What do you mean people who do funded accounts are not profitable? Leroy saying, Robin, I make 200k plus, so don't talk BS. Dexter Connor, I trade a live account. Fundeds aren't for me, but you can bank on a funded. Oh, of course, Dexter, 100%. You are right. You can bank on a funded account. To be fair, I'm with fundeds because when I started trading, I blew lots of money in my personal account. And then I didn't want to go back to blowing all that money again because of my psychology was quite fucked at that point. But yeah, then I started making the money back with the fundeds. Yeah, so I don't quite agree with Robin, but I sometimes do understand what some people are saying, but I don't 100% agree with you there. And the max withdrawal is capped. Yeah, you're right there, but you don't have to, like... 1 second, everything's echoing, it's pissing me off. Fucking... Yeah. Yeah, just because the money's capped, it doesn't mean you're not making no money and you're not profitable, because some people are taking out $10, $20, $30,000, $40,000 a month, more than that some people. So to be fair to a lot of people, $5,000 is a lot of money. Just making your $2,000 to $3,000 replaces your job income. So it depends what level you're at and what level you're speaking about. Twizzy says Robin is mad because he full ported 5 XFAs and blown them. Robin's laughing. Again, there's a reason they use funded. Yeah, obviously there's a reason you use funded. Yes, that's right. Santi pulled Naito to trade London with you. Wicked, Santi. Thank you very much. Leroy, and still need Danny's mentorship. I'll blow 5 accounts. Ezra Collins, bro, can I message you please? I'm trying to learn, mate. Yeah, of course, Ezra. Just drop me a DM and I'll chat to you in a bit. But what are you trying to learn? Ezra Collins, thank you very much for following. Danny, you know my profit the last 3 weeks, so it's BS, man. Yeah, I know it's true. But I do understand somewhat of what Robin's saying, because right now, even though I've managed to make the money back that I had completely lost in trading, the thing is, I'm not actually going back to my personal account at the moment because my psychology don't let me trade my personal account, because I know on the fundeds, if I blow them, I blow them. But on the personal account, do I really want to even attempt to even fucking blow that much money? So you have to completely risk down and size down and trade safely and protect your profits at all times. So I do got what he's saying, but I don't agree with when he says prop firm traders are not profitable, because they definitely are profitable. Not all of them, but very few are, like Leroy. Santi, do you have a free Discord or is it paid? I got free Discord. You can join it. Join it right now. It's the link's in the bio. I've literally just put my Discord up today, guys. I didn't put it up for ages as I weren't adding people to it, but now I've just opened it up now to everybody, so anybody can join. So if you click on the link in the bio and just click this Discord button, then it'll take you to the invite link. Just Collins, starting from no knowledge, bro. No problem, no problem, Ezra Collins. There's so much free information here that you starting from no knowledge, you're going to be starting in a good place, man, because we'll give you a lot of free knowledge that is actually good for you, because a lot of people give you free knowledge that actually makes you go out and fucking lose a lot of money, but here you won't. We'll tell you, we can guide you in the right direction, and then the choice is if you want to blow money and you don't want to blow money, that's going to be in your hands. Thank you very much for following. Malirangan, do you recommend funded accounts? Yes, I recommend funded accounts. I say funded accounts are good. I trade a funded account. I'm currently on a funded account right now. There, I'm on a 25k funded account right now. That's what I'm trading. Leroy's saying facts. Hello, I can see some Arabic writing there. I'm not quite sure what your name is, but hello. Look at A7, he is the big funded player. Yeah, he's making the prop firms profitable right now. Leroy, Ezra Collins, you're good here. There are some really good traders who will help you. Yeah, Ezra Collins, you're in a nice place, man. It's a very friendly environment as well. So join the Discord as well, Ezra Collins. Join the Discord. Ask as many questions as you want. There's a questions area. Thank you very much for following, Malirangan. Thank you very much for following. I got $500. How do you recommend I start? How long have you been trading for? That's the first question. The first question is, how long have you been trading for? Do you understand the markets? And have you traded in the past before? If you can answer me them questions, I'll guide you definitely. Twizzy, we need to break this level. I'm chilling. Tell me about it, Twizzy. I would love to, like, if it broke this level here, literally fucking came here, fucking broke it here, then I would start trying to look for some sort of sells. I would like to sell. I would like to sell. Like that. I would like to sell. But then price can go there as well. I don't want. The thing is, I don't want to. I would like it halfway at least. Price taps in halfway. It depends where it breaks it, doesn't it? We'll see when the time comes. What's up, bro? Rick Royale in the house. Rick Royale, it's been a very long time. Where have you been? Guys, remember to join the Discord, yeah? The Discord is free. The link is in the bio. I will put up Diamond Blacks. Yes, thank you very much for following. Twizzy, triple SMTs on my chart. Yeah, I'm finished. Yeah, so yeah, the Discord's actually free to join. So just join the Discord. And I'll put announcements in there every day. I'll put some updates in there every day. I'll put stuff on there of my live every day when we're going live. Locked in per usual, bro. How you doing? I'm good, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Rick Royal. All these little sneaky people now joining after 9 o'clock. We are here from 8:30, family. You need to come in earlier. Early bird. What is it? Early bird gets the worm. Early bird catches a worm. Early bird. What the fuck? You wake up early, make your profits. That's what it should be. Are you live every day? Yes, Malik Rangan. I'm live every day. Regina Begum. I'm new to trading, taking a few signals. Would you recommend taking courses on trading? Of course, I would recommend taking courses on trading, but I wouldn't recommend you buying courses at first to start off with. What I'd recommend is you go out on YouTube and you get as much experience as you can for free. Once you know how to trade and once you know exactly what you're doing and where you are at in your trading journey, that's when you get a mentor and a mentorship program. Not first straight away. If you want to get it fast straight away and you want to pay for it and you just want to get on that ladder quick, then you can get a mentorship program straight away. But at first, I advise everybody should get some sort of free training. Yes, yes, I do mentor. Yes, I do. But if you DM me, then we can talk about that. Santi, just join the Discord, yo. Yeah, just join the Discord. It's free, man. Regina Beggar, what channel would you recommend? I'd recommend anything that suits you and your lifestyle and your style of trading. So what do you pick up quickly? Like, what do you understand? Will you understand order flow? Would you understand volume profile? You can write these down so that you know what to search for on YouTube. Order flow, volume profile, ICT, SMC, market structure. Fucking hell, there's so many different styles. They're just going over my head. Good idea. Yeah, you can DM me on here. DM me on here. Or you could join the Discord. I don't even know what they are. See, that's what I mean, Regina Begum. The best thing for you to do is just go on YouTube and search for videos like basic trading course or trading basics of trading, and then slowly you'll start giving you information. Start taking down notes, start writing down, and then slowly you start picking things up, and then you can come back to me and then we can speak, or you can fast track it and then we can just straight away just train you up. But the thing is, I always say to everyone, just because, thank you very much, Regina Begum, but then the thing is, if you start learning to trade, it doesn't mean just because you've learned to trade now you're going to start making money straight away. It's everything. You got to learn to execute a trade. You got to learn to hold the winners, cut the losers. You got to learn not to revenge trade, force trade, all your psychology and all sorts of stuff. There's so much to trading. Is your Discord small? Yeah, right now the Discord is very small right now. I've only just opened it up like literally a couple of hours ago. I just held it for ages thinking I'm not gonna do it. And then I thought, fuck it. Today I was like, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll just bring it up here so you can see. Literally just small at the moment. There's only very few people in there. I've only just literally done it. So it's a good place to start at the end of the day. So look, here you got your rules here. Once you've joined the Discord, you're going to have the rules here. So they're the rules. It'll make you accept some rules before you actually have to come onto the channel. Then you got trading the thesis. This is where we can break down trades. Success stories. So once you make some money in the markets or you start making some profits, you can actually upload your certificates and stuff here. Cypher chat. Everyone will be able to chat in this area here. Share your trades. You'll be able to upload your trade and then we can analyze it together, or we can talk through your trades together. Any questions anyone has, you can put the questions in here and someone in the team will always respond as soon as we start getting more people, but I will always respond. We'll have announcements here just like I've put one in at the moment, and this announcement is for the contract change, which is tomorrow, I believe. Really long. I might be one of the OGs. Yo bro, OG Santi, just come in, man. Yeah, so this is the contract change for tomorrow. So if your prices are looking a bit funny on your futures contracts like MNQ M26, now you're changing to MNQ U26 tomorrow, and there's all the rest of them. So contract changes. Prop firms and discounts, I'll put all the prop firms and discounts here, and then you'll get the live YouTube stuff, and then we can always go on meetings and review the alert. Unusual activity detected in FX Trader 2004. You know, I've got it all set up now so I can review alerts and stuff, so that's good. Let's have a look. Review the alert. 2 new members since 8:45 a.m. Whoa, that's not even an alert, bro. Okay, A7 Medinho, A7 Medinho. It alerted me because you had joined the group. Oh my god, that's good. That's good. At least it knows to track A7 Medinho. Thank you very much, Xavier Shipton. Thank you very much for following. Am I one of the OGs? I am DAX. Yes, I like DAX. German 40. Yo, guys, I will tell you now. You traders out there. Leroy, especially for you, brother. You're an early bird, yeah? German 40 is definitely one to look out for. I think on futures prop firm space, we don't get to actually trade DAX and German 40. It doesn't really give us options to do it. I know Take Profit Trader and Alpha Futures wouldn't let me do it. But on the CFD space, yeah, make sure you look at that one, bro. If you need a moderator for your Discord, text me. Yes, bro, I will do. Thank you very much, Breeze. Thank you very much for following. A7 Medina, say it again. I didn't hear you. I said the Discord, it flagged you straight away as soon as you joined. It said there's some unusual activity as soon as A7 Medina joined. Swizzy, Leroy, for real. Twizzy, don't tell them about DAX. Oi, Twizzy, do you do DAX as well? You little, what do you call them? You little dark horse. You did tell us you'd been trading DAX. I didn't tell no one I've been doing DAX as well on the side as well. Yeah, DAX is good, man. I'll give you a preview, guys, in a second, all right? Didn't know what that was when I scrolled. Did you have hair before? Yeah, I got hair before. I got a cap on. I shaved it off. Just wanted a bit of a cleaner look. Got the cap. Got the bald head. We try to do the cool dude cap head style. We do the side cap style. Not really. Kim said, I didn't know that was you when I scrolled. Did you have hair before? I had the cap on before. Yeah, I do have hair before. But because it was thinning a bit, I thought, you know what? Let me just trim it off and just completely just go for the bold look. I look like a slaphead. Twizzy, my strategy on DAX is amazing, but only on a live account. Yeah, man, trust me, I like it. Scammer. Robin Chan, I used the funded last in 2022 and changed to live and currently make 3% per trade, risking 1%. No, you're good, Robin Chan. How long have you been trading overall, bro? A7 Medina, trying to hack it. Yeah. Looks great. Thank you very much, Kim. Thank you so much. I appreciate the nice comments. All right, guys. So let's go back now. Gonna give you a quick sneak preview. Yeah, I don't like doing this. Let's go on it from. I don't know why, but every time I'm checking charts and stuff, I like to go on it from Awanda because Awanda just seems to just give you the nice price. But right now we'll just do forex.com because futures prop firms don't let me. Yeah, forex.com. And where is he gone? Leroy, can you see this? Yeah, this is 1 minute, 1 minute time frame. So let's get past the Asian session. Look at the price action. Look at that on the 1 minute time frame. So you will like this. Look at that London Open. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You get me? You like that, Leroy? The price action on that. Absolutely brilliant, isn't it? Yeah, man. So that's another thing for you guys to look at is German 40 if you want some nice price action. Don't usually share that information with anybody, to be fair. And because Santi bought it up earlier. I thought, yeah, might as well. Back in a minute, guys. Good one, actually. True. All right, let's have a look at what's been happening here with the price. Okay, where is he? Looks great. Yay. Dexter, how many times are we gonna tap this Asia high? Yeah, no idea, man. No idea. Pretty much gone past it now. Super, that's what I like. No. Why you think I'm Mr. Early Bird? Yeah, man, that's why, bro. Now we know. You're another dark horse right here. Sandu in the house. We got a Sandu in the house. Sandu, are you trading? Are you trading live right now? Twizzy, Leroy, tell us. Twizzy, I top ticked this again. Oh my god. Right from here, yeah? Leroy, Twizzy, what you want to know, brother? Yeah, not liking what he's trying to do. I need some sort of something. I need some sort of something right now. Flipping hell, why? At least give us nice price action to deal with. God damn it. Twizzy Leroy, why are you the early bird? Eunice Marani, if you are running in losses, no, Eunice, blocked. Santi, yo, check Discord DMs when you can. I'll check them now, bro. Santi, yeah, that's not a problem, bro. That's not a problem. Just we are here every single day, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. We have a bit of a break about 10:30 a.m. and then we come back on after about 2 hours, about 12 p.m. GMT pre-New York session. So 8:30 a.m. and then 12 p.m. we'll be back on. And then yeah, there's loads of free advice every single day. There's always pointing people in the right direction every single day. But now we've got the Discord, so we can like tighten things up a bit more and just make it even more better for everybody. Function X, thank you very much for following. Yeah, Santi, not a problem, man, no problem. Do you know what? Yeah, at one minute, Sam, I've missed a few messages. What's your biggest day? Oh, my biggest day has been like the biggest day I've had. It was $6,000 and something dollars. But the only reason that was a big day because just say I was on about. Let me get my calculator out because my maths is shitty. This one's for Samran Dog 80. Yeah, so just say it was about 6,320, say. Yeah, it was roughly, I can't remember how much it was, but that was the biggest day. But it wasn't just that big on one account. So I was copy trading that one account onto about 5 accounts. So the biggest day I had was roughly about $1,264. But because I was copy trading it onto 5 accounts, the biggest day over 5 accounts, it was about $6,000. Dexter Connor, do you trade New York Open? That's where I find most of my success. Do you know what? There's a lot of success in New York. I like to trade the New York all by myself. I don't go on live when I'm trading the New York. So that's why I always have past accounts, funded accounts and everything. Because I have personal me time, just me with the charts, and I do the New York session, yeah. But I do like London session because sometimes when you catch a good setup, you can catch a really good one. Santi says, really, yes. Leroy, Twizzy, and the early in the charts. Yeah, man, if you're early in the charts, you can really catch some good moves every single day, which is absolutely brilliant. Is the music still going? This battery's died on that fucking thing. This one's working still. Yeah, at least the music's still on. That's good. That's good. Leroy, where did you enter? Yeah, actually, Leroy, where did you enter? I can't see an entry. Not for me at the moment. I'm gonna wait for a nice retracement. I'm gonna wait for a retracement, then I'm gonna try. I'll try. I'm with 3 minis. Oh god damn, you got a big position size on. A7 Medina, why you and Leroy start going live together? A7 Medina's he wants to grab the moves, doesn't he? He wants to see the charts. I wouldn't mind going on live. I wouldn't mind like going on live together. It's just about how we're sharing our screens. That's how we're gonna have to figure it out. But sometimes we can, if you really want to. Sometimes we can. Shit, man, this is just dumping, but not giving me what I want to see. Now this is not good for me. We can do it later this week, no problem. Why? Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do one. We'll have a laugh as well at the same time. The followers are just not moving today. So that definitely means TikTok Live's not pushing the live out. Because normally I just get followers, constantly just getting the followers. But right now, they're just not moving at all. Exotique Reptiles has not been in the building past few days properly neither. Squeezy, not MNQ, bro, but MNQ no setup for me. Yo, telling you, man, just fucking can't find anything on MNQ at the moment. We can get a nice retracement on here. Then a push to the downside. That's what would be nice. We're not even getting retracements. It's like, what the fuck is this price action? 200 up, 4 coffees down. Dexter Connor. That's good. That's good. Eunice, why the fuck you keep creating accounts and coming back? Like, fuck off. 99 signal. What do you mean fucking signal, dickhead? Come on, give us a nice retracement so we can actually get an entry. But even then, that retracement's too far. Dextra, what's your strategy, bro? My strategy is high time frame analysis. So top-down analysis, mark out my points of interest. When price taps into the points of interest, I drop down to the lower time frames, 5, 3, 2, 1, and I look for my further confluences on the lower time frame, and then I take my entry. But with my strategy, I don't get a setup like literally every single day, but most days my setup will come up and show up, so that's when I take my entry. But I'm waiting for that entry now, but I'm not getting a clear setup. Sila Babila, good morning, brother. How are you? So yeah, mine is just higher time frame analysis, market structure. I just follow market structure and that's it. Amina, just code so you don't have to stare at a chart. Yeah, I would love to, but I love staring at the chart. Yeah, so I don't really want to code it, because I know sometimes them codes don't always work 100%. Fam, I will show you all my trade setups, profits, tips in Danny's Discord, and you can always ask me. Yeah, look, Leroy's there, man. You can always give him a shout. Leroy's going to be one of the first people in the success stories. I know it. And then A7 Medino, because we're going to get you passed on your prop firms and make sure you get payouts. That should be like a big goal, innit? And then when A7 Medino actually becomes rich, he can actually give us our flowers. He can say, man, you guys were there for me when I wasn't doing well and I was just blowing prop firms. Leroy and Danny, they stuck by my side and they actually opened a Discord for me. Next, looking for people who also trade. About a year in, trying to get out the chefing industry. Oh wow, you're a chef as well. Oh, wicked. So you're saying you're in the chefing industry. Are you actual chef, or you're doing something else in the chefing industry, like making cutlery, or in the kitchen side of things, building kitchens? Or what part of the chefing industry are you in? Wow, man, this is just bonkers, man. Like, price pushed down. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. Didn't quite tap in deep enough where I wanted it, but still got the reaction. Just didn't get the retracement. Didn't get the retracement that I wanted. Yeah, man, chef, walk out my old job to pursue this. Oh wow. But you're over a year in now, innit? About a year in. Are you profitable at the moment, or you still on the learning side, or just on the psychology side of things? Are we trading down today? Yeah, according to market structure, the way market structure is going, we are mass trader. Thank you very much for following. The way market structure is going, it's showing us that we were in a retracement and then we are going to be pushing down, but how far down I don't know. Or are we going to continue pushing up? Because let's have a look overall on the 4-hour time frame. Have a look what it done. So right now it looks like we've retraced, pushed down, retraced, price pushed down again, but I think it may even go like that and then continue down. But on the higher time frame, on the 4 hours, we're very, very bullish still, and this can be a retracement, and then price can continue pushing up. So we can get some sort of retracement here, push up, or we get a retracement there and price continues coming down and fills in this weak opening gap here. Then we get some sort of push to the upside. So yeah, it just all depends on price action to see where price is going right now. And it's going in the direction that I wanted it to go in, but it's going without me because I couldn't actually find an entry. Yeah, Yeah, and killing it at the moment. Replaced my salary, but currently trying to scale. Yeah, scaling is hard, but once you're there, you're there. You've got it. So once you're if you're saying you're killing it at the moment, scaling shouldn't be too hard, unless scaling messes with your psychology. Because if you get a small loss on one account, it'll calculate across all of them, and you feel as if, oh my god, I've lost this much money. But then when you make it and you have a green day, you make a little amount on one account, you make a big amount across all of accounts. So yeah, I understand. It can be hard to scale due to psychology. Sila Babilo, you're right. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much, Costy. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, man, this is not good price action for me. Thank you very much for the heart, Costy. Thank you very much. All right, we need a nice retracement. Every time I'm looking for a retracement, price just pushes fucking in the opposite direction. Yeah, I do trade the London trades. I do trade the New York session. Yes, I do. Yeah, but I do pre-New York on live sometimes. Well, most days. But then when it's New York session, I like to have a bit of personal time, just me against the charts. And then it's just me versus me, and then in my own head, and just me with the charts. Personal love time, me and trading. New York session. Yeah, so I do, but all by myself. What about you, London trades? Do you trade New York session, or do you trade London session as well? Dexter Connor, only 22, supporting a 1-year-old. My girl, I have to make this work. You will make it work. You got a reason to, so you definitely will make it work. You always need a why, isn't it? And that's your why. Your 1-year-old daughter is your why. Why you got to make trading work. Everybody needs a why, a serious why. So now the only thing is on the 15-minute time frame. Thank you very much for following London Trades. User, brother, that's the monthly wins. User 80808. I'm not quite sure what you mean. Could you just elaborate on that, please? Short was the move. Remember, I asked. Yes, you did ask, Big Blue. You did ask, but you was shorting from. If I'm not wrong, it was like as soon as the London session was opening. But this is the area. It only needed to retrace a little bit deeper to go low. If I had it in this area here, I would have just gone in for a fucking short straight. Right now, I'm not liking it. I'm just not liking the price action. It's annoying me because I've missed my trade. And it's times like this you end up making mistakes because you've missed and you knew you was right. You're trying to chase. User 80808 like profits and P&L. Where are you? 1 second. User 80808. It just varies, doesn't it, really? Like, you can have good months and you can have bad months. 1 month might be a whole losing month, but then that's why some people look at the whole year's P&L. because 1 month might absolutely destroy them, or just be not absolutely destroy them. It just might be a shit month. If you protect your capital, you might just be in losses, and then 1 month you might just have big winners. That's like some days. Like if you do a month, if you look at the month chart, some days you have good days, some days you have bad days, and then you have to like cut your losers and keep your winners running. But every day I've been showing, I show my P&L and profits and this and that, and to be fair, I don't really like taking out the profits and stuff. Join the Discord, and I'll put some of my certificates on, and I'll put some of my payouts on there as well. So join the Discord's for free. Paris Le Soir. If you go to the link in the bio, you can actually go and join my Discord. The Discord is for free, and I will put some of my certs and payouts on the Discord so people can go over and have a look. SMD and STDV. I don't really do STDV and SMT. I don't really follow that too much. But yeah, it does work for people. I just got a different style of trading. I do watch others online, and they do SMT divergence and ICT and SMC trading, Wyckoff theories, order flow theories, volume profile theories, indicator trading. So there's loads of different styles. Mine is just simple market structure. Yeah, don't get FOMO. Yeah, big blue, oohoo. I hate FOMO, man. I was kind of getting FOMO, fear of missing out now, but I still knew not to enter when I shouldn't enter. But I might still find an entry that I may think price is looking good, and I might go for it. I don't know yet. Leroy, Danny, you use Sync on Trader8 Copier. Do you know what? I don't really like using the Trader8 Copier. I use Trade Syncer. It's an app. It's a paid app online. But Trader8, you have to put, if you're doing multiple accounts, when you're copy trading them, you can't automatically put in a stop loss. So you have to put the trade on first, and then you have to adjust the stop loss after. If you're doing it on one account, it'll automatically place it for you. But if you're on copy trading, the stop loss doesn't automatically enter when you're copy trading. So that's why I like to use Trade Syncer. That's a paid version. But then if you have Alpha Trader and you're doing Alpha Futures accounts, you can do 5 accounts on Alpha Trader. If you're on other prop firms that use Project X is absolutely brilliant. They let you do 5 accounts nicely as well. Trade Syncer is good. They let you do 5 accounts, just like you have to adjust your stop loss and take profits manually. Dark Knight the Menace, is this? Yes, no, this is NQ Dark Knight the Menace. Paris Le Soir, thank you, no problem. Paris. Lol Cakes, morning Danny, how's the trades going today? It's going all right. I'm just can't actually figure out and find an area of interest. I wanted sells from here, just couldn't find the right area for it to sell off from. And now I'm waiting to see if I can still catch a sell, but I don't know if my entry is going to actually play out. What about you, lol cakes? Have you managed to catch a trade this morning? Leroy, yeah, me too. Trader8 is bad for copy. Yeah, it's a bit annoying for copying. Think it's long now, bro. Possibly, yeah, it can be. JS in the house. At Maya Trader Hourly still look bearish. JS. Aiden Ling 18 though. Yaz, do you take shorts, bro? Yeah, I was looking at taking the short, but I didn't catch that short. I was waiting for a deeper retracement after this push down, but we didn't actually get it. So I'm going to see if we can actually get some sort of deeper retracement now. But now I don't know if I really want to be entering in the fucking short, because it's not my type of price action now. And plus the 30-minute candle closure is not looking the best. But that's not to say I won't. Just trying to see. I can't see it just dumping, to be honest. Yeah. I hate price action when it's like this. On the overall biggest time frame, we are very, very bullish. Even on the daily time frames, we're very bullish, but price has slowly started to be fair, even then it's not even on the higher time frame. We've had deep retracements, but not big enough retracement for me to want it to continue pushing to the upside. I would have liked a deeper retracement to the downside, but yeah, I would have ideally liked to sell off roughly from this area here. That's where I would have liked a nice sell off from. Give me 3,400 short from up there. So you're saying 3,400's down here, bro. That gap in the 30 minutes up on the left. Which gap are you speaking about? Sorry, I'm currently looking at this price actually. Come on, man. Look up. Fucking annoying. GE price action. XAU Atlas. Oh, we don't want to do signals, man. They're blocked. Everyone's waiting and looking for an entry, and we just can't fucking find one. From PN sell-off, I believe. OTS at 570 for you. Yo, so you're looking at that fair value gap there. But the way price is going, I'm not quite sure it will retrace deep enough into that fucking fair value gap. Ideally, I would like it between this area here. Maybe risk a little bit more there. 292, but even then, now look, price didn't go to where I wanted it, and it just like it's just a few ticks off from ticking it in. I reckon the short is NFP in 10 hours. Yeah, possibly. It's 10 o'clock as well. It's pretty much time for me to shoot off normally, but I'm just thinking, should I enter here? Should I not enter here? Should I risk it? Should I not risk it? The funny thing is, as soon as I enter into a trade, price will just go in the opposite direction. That's what always happens. Trust the process, bro. Yeah, that's all you got to do. You got to trust the process. But I think ideally I would have liked it all just a bit higher in this area and then slowly dump down. What the hell's happening to the price action right now? Fuck it, man. I'm just gonna put it in and then we'll see what happens to it shortly, because this is my time now. 10 o'clock kind of should be out of lives right now. I should be not even live right now. This is the time I come off my lives, and now I'm sitting here waiting for fucking price to tap me in, and if it just dumps now without tapping me in, I'll be annoyed. If it taps me in nicely and then dumps, then I'll be happy and I'll be like, okay guys, I'll see you later, and we'll see what happens shortly. Yeah, currently I don't like price action right now. Look, that's literally one tick away from tapping me in. Let's see what it does, because fucking horrible price action, isn't it, guys? Oh my god, it's tapped me in and went right against me. Oh my god, oh my god, what the hell is happening? Oh. Leroy, are you in? Yeah, it's just tapped me in, bro, but it tapped me in where price action's being right fucking shithole. Do you not think it's fake break and sell? Ezra Collins, what do you mean fake break and sell? I don't quite get what you mean. Minor, I can't give financial advice, bro, for you. I've entered bold because of my analysis, but I can't actually tell anybody else if you should or if you shouldn't. So even if I close my trade just because I don't like the way this is going, then that's all down to me and my analysis. I can't really give financial advice. I don't really tell anybody when to enter and when not to enter. Who's fucking even... What's the institutions doing? Why don't they just push? I love being able to put my stop loss in profits, run a free trade guaranteed paper. Yeah, trust me, I like that feeling too. Sniper entry. I'm hoping for it to be a sniper entry. I'm hoping, but the way price is moving absolutely fucking shit. So yes, I bottom ticked the BIH. Is this paper? No, this is not paper trading. TMFX, no, it's not paper trading. In a juicy long. JS is in a juicy long. JS is going in the opposite direction to me. TMFX. No, it's not paper trading, bro. It looks like I'm gonna go into fucking drawdown in a second. Yeah, that's absolutely shit for me. Crypto Talks. Oi, oi, Crypto Talks. How you doing, my brother? JS. Not too fussed if yours play out. I got 200 confirmed. Stop loss. Oh, wicked, wicked. Chris MN. Do you think we will continue falling until FOMC because of contract expiry and... Yeah, possibly. I don't know what will happen, to be honest with you. I'm just following market structure at the moment. But yeah, to be fair, I don't know what the hell's going to happen. A lot. Retail sales 1:30 p.m. and then all the red folder news events. Oh shit. Oh shit. To be fair, I don't know if I really want to be sitting in this trade now. It's pissing me off. Unless you'll wick the fuck out of me. Those red folders suck when you're in AU and the shit happens at 4 a.m. Yo, tell me about it. Tell me about it. Chris MN 25, thank you very much for following, brother. Sniper, I'm hoping so. It's not really fucking nice price action, like big candles, deep big candles. Just fucking shitty candles. Fucking then price just fucking pumps up. Starts going in the opposite direction. Not doing what I want it to do. I'll jump back in a bit. GL, good luck with your trade, bro. So yeah, thank you very much, JS. I might come out of the trade, to be honest, myself as well, because I'm not trusting price action and I don't like the news events at the moment. So I'm not sure if I really want to be sitting in this trade because I'm supposed to be finishing my live right now as well. So yeah, it's one of them ones at the moment. Do you recommend learning technical analysis as a beginner? Yes, Ali, all the time. Let's dump. Yes, tell me about it. I need it to just dump big time. If this candle starts pushing up now, then I'm going to come out of the trade. If it continues pushing down, then I'll probably hold it for a little longer. Okay, might hold it. Take profit and out. Leroy, take your profit and out. God, tell me about it. I might just do that because I'm not liking the way... I don't like the way this is moving, to be honest with you. And plus, do you know what? I'm in trailing drawdown. So if this goes against me, I'm in drawdown straight away. So I need price to just dump a little bit more and then I'll take the profits. I hope it dumps a little bit more and look at that. Christmas, based on what I see on oil price action with dumping gradually, yeah, slowly, hopefully, but I'm not enjoying this price action, to be honest with you. Does ICC work? I'm not sure. What is ICC, bro? You just let me know what ICC is, then I can answer your question. What is the ICC term stand for? Yeah, I'm not liking the price action, to be honest with you. It's pissing me off. It's in bearish movement now. It's just bouncing. Stay in. Wait until the candle closes. Yeah, hopefully, but fucking. The problem is I'm in intraday trailing drawdown. So I'm on a funded account, but it's intraday trailing drawdown. So the more it goes against me, so even if I'm winning and price goes down a little bit, I'm in drawdown straight away. So right now, this is it pushes into my direction, but then puts me in drawdown. Pushes in my direction, then goes against me and puts me in drawdown. So that's what I don't like. But fuck it, we'll see. We'll leave it running. We'll see what's happening. Ali, what do you think about ICT? I've seen many different things about it. No, different styles of trading. It works for different people. ICTs work for many people out there. SMC works for many people out there. Some people just trade just strategies like open range breakouts and stuff like that. And they work for people as well. Wyckoff theory, that works for people as well. So all different styles of trading, different styles of strategies, they all work. It's just how much time are you going to give it? That's what matters. You thirsty partner saying stay in, bro. Young Money Sounds NQ. Yeah, this is NQ, brother. Ali, I've seen ICT and order flow is great thoughts. Yeah, it's good, man. It's each to their own. Whatever you feel easy and comfortable studying, and whatever you feel comfortable executing on the charts, and what works for you, that's the best thing to stick with and go ahead with. So yeah, ICT and order flow, yeah, it is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. Any type of trading and studying the charts is all a good thing. And look at that, absolutely fucking shithole. Thanks, bro. Greatly appreciated. No problem, bro. So if price went even more against me, I think I want to be out of this trade, because I'm not even supposed to be on live right now. I'm just staying in live because my trade's on. I'm supposed to be out of the live until about fucking 12 o'clock. Leroy, what I say, bro? Yeah, I know, bro. Tell me about it. Yeah, this price action is annoying me though. It's annoying me a lot, to be honest with you. I don't like, this is not the kind of price action I like. And then if I close my trade and then price will start going fucking in my favor, that will piss me off the most. Yeah, it's annoying bad. Yo, what's up? Amari, what's up, bro? No, end of day, so it's... Yeah, it's not end of day, so it's shit. That's the worst thing about this. Get out at $180. Brother, get out at $180, motherfucker. Get out. Just give it a little bit more time to break even. Yeah. All right, guys, I'll close that trade there because that's broken me even. So I'm not in my trailing drawdown, so I'm okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clear the charts, yeah? Remove the 6 drawings. I want to actually just leave this short position here like this. And then when I come onto the charts later on, guys, I want to see, should I have come out of that trade or should I not have come out of that trade? So that was my stop loss, and my take profit was roughly, I don't know where my take profit was. I'm just going to just randomly put it here now, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, I'm going to catch you later. We'll see you guys later. I'm going to be on at 12. See, look, I told you, when I take my fucking trade out, slowly, price starts creeping into my direction. But I'm coming off live anyway, so I don't really want to be sitting on the charts faffing about, and I'd rather have a break and chill because I've been looking at the charts for a little while now. Let's have a look at what happens here. So guys, just mark this area out, and then if you come back and join me later on after 12 p.m, we'll see which area the price went into, and we'll try and like analyze the trade. Yeah, all right guys, I'll catch you later. See you again in about 2 hours. Good night, A7 Medino. See ya. See you later, guys. Everyone, make sure you go and join the Discord. The Discord is free. The link is in the bio. So just go into the bio and join the Discord. There's not many people on there at the moment, but I'm trying to get as much offers in there for prop firms and discounts and everything. So it'll be a good place for you guys to start off. See you later, guys. Peace out. Make sure you join us later on today, 12 p.m. Around about 12 p.m, maybe 12:30 p.m, but roughly around that time. See you later, guys. See ya, brother. Yo, don't join. It's only my Discord. See you later, guys.